Hello, CEOs, CIOs, CTOs, and CFOs. Do you really know how many IT assets exist in your organization? Are you tired of not knowing where your IT assets are or how they are being used? Do you know what it is costing to maintain these assets? Is your finance department getting satisfactory answers from your technology departments regarding budgets? Do you have any excess IT assets? Are old and obsolete IT assets lying all around? Are you having IT assets that you no longer use? Is your IT budget going through the roof? Is your software licensing in a mess? Are you paying subscriptions for softwares no longer in use? Are employees losing and misplacing their IT assets? Are there thefts of company-owned portable IT assets like laptops, mice, chargers, tablets, etc.? Are employees using more than one computer? If your answer is yes to one or more of these questions, then you are not alone. Thousands of companies face severe problems in managing their IT assets due to the following reasons. IT asset management is often considered a boring and low-grade task by many technical executives, CTOs, and even CIOs. This is because most technical staff in many organizations hates getting involved in the commercial and financial aspects of managing IT assets, as they think this is just a glorified storekeeper job. Such misconceptions result in frequent battles between the finance, audit, and technical departments. The solution to all these problems is to start a professional IT asset department in your organization. Introducing IT Asset Management, a practical guide for technical and business executives by renowned author Thejendra Sreenivas. This concise jargon-free book will show why. IT asset management is an extremely crucial function of any organization and must be given the highest importance possible by senior management. Why an IT asset manager's job is a powerful position that can save costs, ensure material discipline, have qualified staff for managing assets, ensure physical and data security, prepare accurate budgets, and supervise the complete life cycle of IT assets used in an organization. Why IT asset management is not a mere storekeeper's job as many executives fear. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about IT asset management, from creating an inventory of your assets to implementing the right policies and procedures. You'll learn how to use the latest technologies, such as barcoding and RFID, to track your assets in real time and reduce the risk of theft. You'll discover how to manage your software licenses and avoid costly fines for non-compliance. And you'll learn how to use data analytics to make informed decisions about your IT assets and improve your company's bottom line. Whether you're a small business owner or a CEO of a large corporation, this book will help you take control of your IT assets and maximize their value. Order your copy of IT Asset Management today and start managing your IT assets like a pro. Available in both paperback and all e-book formats.